Prophet Lot is mentioned in the Quran, and Ishmael, and Elijah, and Jonah, and Lot, we favored each one of them over all other people. And Lot, when he said to his people, do you commit lewdness no people anywhere have ever committed before you? But when he saw their hands not reaching towards it, he became suspicious of them, and conceived a fear of them. They said, do not fear, we were sent to the people of Lot. When Abraham's fear subsided, and the good news had reached him, he started pleading with us concerning the people of Lot. And when our envoys came to Lot, he was anxious for them, and concerned for them. He said, this is a dreadful day. They said, O Lot, we are the envoys of your Lord, they will not reach you. So set out with your family during the cover of the night, and let none of you look back, except for your wife. She will be struck by what will strike them. Their appointed time is the morning. Is not the morning near? O my people, let not your hostility towards me cause you to suffer what was suffered by the people of Noah, or the people of Hud, or the people of Salah. The people of Lot are not far away from you. Except for the family of Lot, we will save them all. And when the envoys came to the family of Lot, he said, begone. Your lot in this life is to say, no contact. And you have an appointment that you will not miss. Now look at your God that you remained devoted to, we will burn it up, and then blow it away into the sea, as powder. And we delivered him, and Lot, to the land that we blessed for all people. And Lot, we gave him judgment and knowledge, and we delivered him from the town that practiced the abominations. They were wicked and perverted people. And the people of Abraham, and the people of Lot. The people of Lot disbelieved the messengers. When their brother Lot said to them, do you not fear? They said, unless you refrain, O Lot, you will be expelled. And Lot, when he said to his people, do you commit lewdness with open eyes? But the only response of his people was to say, expel the family of Lot from your town. They are purest people. Then Lot believed in him, and said, I am emigrating to my Lord. He is the noble, the wise. And Lot, when he said to his people, you are committing an obscenity not perpetrated before you by anyone in the whole world. He said, yet Lot is in it. They said, we are well aware of who is in it. We will save him, and his family, except for his wife, who will remain behind. Then, when our envoys came to Lot, they were mistreated, and he was troubled and distressed on their account. They said, do not fear, nor grieve. We will save you and your family, except for your wife, who will remain behind. And Lot was one of the messengers. And Thamud, and the people of Lot, and the dwellers of the woods, these were the confederates. And Aad, and Pharaoh, and the brethren of Lot. The people of Lot rejected the warnings. We unleashed upon them a shower of stones, except for the family of Lot, we rescued them at dawn. Allah illustrates an example of those who disbelieved, the wife of Noah and the wife of Lot. They were under two of our righteous servants, but they betrayed them. They availed them nothing against Allah, and it was said, enter the fire with those who are entering. Prophet